Hi, this is Chris. During the next 2 minutes, I want to show you how you can enable precise metrology at a microscopic scale. Workpieces are getting smaller. Manufacturing tools are able to produce impressively small features with ambitious tolerances. To assure quality, you have to measure features too small for the human eye to see. But often, measuring devices don't provide the high optical resolution to detect the necessary details, and standard microscopes aren't usually equipped with the necessary measurement capabilities. Missing capabilities gives you a gap in your quality assurance, not acceptable in modern manufacturing. Low optical resolution means low accuracy and low precision, so you can't trust the results. And often, important functions like geometric dimension and tolerances are normally not available in microscopy. Your inspections are not complete. Plus, when measuring microfeatures manually, user interactions can influence the results. And sometimes, manual data management leads to wrong quality statistics. Low accuracy and precision, high time effort, missing functionalities and user-dependent results, none of these are wanted in your manufacturing process. Wouldn't it be great to have a solution that measures your microscopy images automatically with reliable user-independent results? Neo Pixel brings these functionalities to microscopy, giving you higher quality and better productivity. Let's take a closer look. Send your image to Neo Pixel with the click of a button. Your corresponding inspection workflow will start immediately. The software automatically performs predefined measurements. You can then compare your measurements with CAD data to check for any deviations. You can get all the necessary information at a glance in just a few seconds. Reports and statistics are generated automatically with ZEISS PyWeb. You can even export and upload the data for further analysis. And of course, you can share inspection plans and results with colleagues in other labs all over the world. You can use Neo Pixel with all ZEISS microscopes. That's great for return on investment. Want to learn more about software solutions for industrial quality applications? Check out our other videos.